This Pi guy here. Have you ever had the issue of when you try to log into your Pi using VNC, you get this? Can't display the desktop. So we're going to show you how to fix that. And it's pretty simple. So I'm SSH'd into the Pi here. Now this is happening on a Raspberry Pi 4. So we're going to get in here to the config. Then we're going to scroll down to number 7, advanced option. Then we need to change the resolution. By default, it's on the 720/480. So we're just going to get down here and change it to the 1024/768. We'll hit OK, OK, finish. Now it's going to ask if we want to reboot, and we need to do that, so it takes effect. So now it's trying to reboot here. So we'll just sit here and wait. And it should be coming up here shortly. And there you go. Problem is fixed. So hopefully that helps out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button.